Hi, everyone. This video is about how to fix Windows 10 desktop icons missing. Method 1. Unhide all desktop icons. Windows 10. Right-click the screen and unhide all desktop icons. Method 2. Check desktop icon settings. Right-click on the screen. Select the Personalize option. Go to Themes and choose Desktop Icon Settings. Check the desired desktop icons options and save changes. Method 3. Run SFC Scannow. Enter command prompt in the search bar. Right-click command prompt and choose Run as administrator. Type SFC Scannow and hit the Enter key. Method 4. Run chkdsk. Type command prompt. Then run command prompt as administrator. Type the command line and press the Enter key. Then type Y and restart the computer. Method 5. Rebuild icon cache. Windows 10. Type command prompt. Then run command prompt as administrator. Input the commands to rebuild icon cache. How to recover missing desktop files. Launch Minitool Power Data Recovery. Scan the target drive. When the scanning process is done, save the lost files to another drive. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.